when we think about cloud and we think about data and AI, at BJSS we've really taken a bet to bring all these together.
The breadth of the projects you can work on is really good. You've got everything from application migration, taking applications from data centers into the cloud, refactoring to make them work properly. Really cool pieces of work in Greenfield, such as projects involving AI/ML. We did one recently with Care Fertility, which was using AI to select embryos earlier in the IVF process. And obviously, things like that really matter. They're really good pieces of work to do.
A lot of our customers need help in moving to cloud, to bring their data in, to gain advantage or gain benefit of AI. So part of my role and my team is to really help drive that.
It's a choose your own adventure story. So joining as a platform engineer, I never thought that I would be where I am today as a platform capability lead, getting involved with projects really early on, doing big work. It's very different from the job that I first started at.
You get to work with some really big name clients. Before I joined the company, I hadn't really heard of BJSS, but I had heard of all of the clients that I've worked with while I've been here. And that's quite a diverse range of different industries.
There are 3 different communities that I'm part of: my office, and my project team, and my capability. So you have your office, which put on regular socials. So I go to the Mario Kart social every quarter, board game socials all the time. There's a monthly town hall. It's a really social place to work.
The big part of it is that it's a learning organisation. And what I really love is the sense of community that we have, especially in the technical community. Often when you've got a really thorny technical challenge, all you really need is somebody to ask the question of, somebody, have you done it before? Do you know how this works? And it's rare that you find a technical problem that somebody hasn't seen or isn't in fact an expert in.
There are a lot of people that have spent a lot of their careers moving from one job to another. You work for one company and then a couple of years later you want a bit of a change. I really enjoy the fact that I'm still working for the same company after 8 years. But once a project finishes or it's time to move on to a new project, I'm working on potentially completely different technology, doing a completely different thing. So the challenge is always fresh, but the environment stays comfortable.